42nd Amendment Act 1976, the most comprehensive amendment made so far to the Constitution. It is known as Mini Constitution. It gave effect to the recommendation of Swaran Singh Committee. First, added three new words: socialist, secular, integrity in the preamble. Added fundamental duties by the citizens. New Part 4, Capital A. Made the President bound by the advice of the Cabinet. Provided for administrative tribunal and tribunals for the other matters. Froze the seat in the Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies on the basis of 1971 census till 2001. Made the constitutional amendments beyond judicial scrutiny. Curtailed the power of judicial review and writ jurisdiction of the Supreme Court and High Court. Raised the tenure of Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies from 5 to 6 years. Okay. Provided the laws made by the implementation of DP directive principles cannot be declared invalid by the court on the ground of violation of some fundamental rights. Empower the parliament to make law to deal with anti-national activities, and such law are to take precedence over fundamental rights. Added three new directive principles, which is equal justice and free legal aid, participation of workers in the management of industries, and protection of environment, forest and wildlife. Facilitated the proclamation of national emergency in the part of territory of India. Extended the one-time duration of the president rule in a state from 6 months to 1 year. Empower the center to deploy its armed force in any state to deal with a grave situation of the law and order. Shifted 5 subjects from the state list to the concurrent list, which is education, forest, protection of wildlife, animals and birds, weights, and measure and administration of justice, constitution and organization of all court except the Supreme Court and High Court. Did away with the requirement of quorum in the parliament and the state legislature. Empowered the parliament to decide it from time to time the right and privileges of its member and committees. Provided for the creation of the All India Judicial Service. Shortened the procedure and disciplinary action by taking away the right of the civil servant to make representation at the second stage after the inquiry on the penalty proposed.
So